It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Oh my goodness. Got a big video for you guys. Who wants to do an epic fall body cream ranking? I literally spent the last 45 minutes assembling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 fall body cares. I'm doing number 15 to number 1. And I'm so excited about this because now that I have all of the fall, you know what's funny? The one that I don't have is Sweet Whiskey, but I'm so familiar with Sweet Whiskey, I put it in the lineup. So it's here, it's just not here. I gotta get the Sweet Whiskey. What was I thinking? I should have bought it when it was $6.50. This is what happens. Sometimes you forget what you have, which is exactly what I did. But Sweet Whiskey is on my list. So there's a lot of good stuff at Bath & Body Works for fall. I think the one thing that we're missing, and I just grabbed these because I want to talk about this for a minute. Obviously, strawberry pound cake did not come back. I know a lot of people were like, yeah, strawberry pound cake is so overdone, which I agree. Strawberry pound cake is my desert island scent. I love it. However, I feel like the cream kind of deteriorates a little quicker than some of the other scents. It does get yellowy. I've heard that's from the vanilla, but this one isn't really holding up very well. So I would like to have strawberry pound cake back because I like to refresh it. The other thing I would have liked to have seen would have been something along the lines of like champagne sprinkles. This is one scent, I'm putting it out there, Bath & Body Works, that we really need back. This is one of the semi-annual sale ones. It's sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. It is delightful. It literally, this one's getting a little bit old. It's starting to separate, but it still smells good. This is a raspberry buttercream icing scent. It's fabulous. I really wish there was something along those lines in the fall lineup. Enchanting Candy Potion would have been wonderful had we gotten that one back. I keep hoping that maybe as we move into September, October, we see it show up as an online exclusive. I haven't heard anything, but that would be wonderful. And then pumpkin cupcakes, another good one, that you kind of like to see. I know a lot of people are missing the blueberry sugar one. Blueberry sugar pancakes, is that it? I always get it mixed up with the candle. But that one was a good one. So the other one we never saw back was the coconut candy apple. I would have loved to have seen that one in this fall lineup. This one smells amazing though. So that being said, I think we got a couple of nice surprises. And we got a pretty decent, solid fall lineup, and we got more coming out all the time. So, in the number 15 spot, A for packaging, kind of like a D- for me on scent. I don't like this one. This is the Midnight Spell. It is Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. I've heard mixed reviews on this. It's just not my scent. Very unisex. To me, it smells a little bit too like crystally. It's an edgy scent. It just doesn't mix well with me. I don't know. I've tried to wear it a couple times and it just doesn't do anything for me. However, I love the packaging. So that's number 15. In the number 14 spot, a lot of people are going to say no. I guess this is a favorite scent. Ivory Cashmere does not smell good on me. It is fresh lakeside air, silver musk, and white amber. I don't know what it is. If it's the silver musk, if it's the amber, I don't know. It just doesn't smell good on me. It's very strong though. A lot of people love this scent. Number 13 Fall in Bloom. This was our signature classic scent from last fall. Very pretty packaging. I just don't feel like it's that exciting this year. Juicy Plum, Wild Blooms, and Velvet Moss. I love plum. I do. That Sparkling Plum we had with the Sugared Cherry Crisp a couple years ago was really good. This one's got a lot of the blooms in it. And you know me, and blooms, we just don't get along. I think Blair would like this. I don't know why. I just get a Blair vibe from there, like walking around Eastland in the fall in bloom. I don't know. I think she might be digging that set. I always do this, 15, 14, 13, number 12, our newcomer, Together Weather, which I keep calling Today Weather. It's Today Weather. I love the packaging. I love the pink. It is Blushing Breeze, Sugared Cardamom, and Soft Cedar. I wanted to like this one. I really did. I just don't love it. It's like grabbing me. Not grabbing me. I don't feel like the cardamom nor the cedar is strong enough to get my attention. And I feel like it fades off kind of quickly. This is just, it's not my thing. Number 11, Black Cherry Merlot. I love this scent. It just came back this year. Again, a lot of people love it. If you're looking for cherry in the fall, you might want to try this one. It's a lot deeper than most of the Bath & Body Works cherries, but it smells really like good and consistent, which I like. So if you love Black Cherry Merlot like years ago, no surprises here. I feel like it's pretty strong too. I actually really like Black Cherry Merlot. If you're looking for a fruity fall scent, this is the one you're going to go to. Okay, top 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, top 10. We are in top 10. Number 10, in the number 10 spot is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Huge improvement over last year. Last year, it was just bad. This year, I feel like it smells more like Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. It's pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. This is not a full-on foodie scent, honestly. This is more of a marshmallow, creamy sandalwood scent. But I like it. It would be nice to have just a toasted marshmallow scent for fall. I don't know if they could get it strong enough though. Beach Nights, I didn't like that one. I feel like marshmallow is so light, you gotta add something with it. Marshmallow chocolate would have been really nice. I don't know, but Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, not bad this year. Number 9, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, online exclusive, fall favorite. I feel like they did a good job on this one this year. It's funny, it's thinner. I don't know why. This feels like really, like almost like a lotion in the cream bottle. I don't know why. Mine's just a little odd. When I first smelled this, I thought it smelled a little bit off, but then I was like, no, I think it's Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. You know what I think they did? I feel like they toned the cinnamon down a little bit. Heirloom Pumpkin, Autumn Cinnamon, Ginger Snap, and Whipped Vanilla. It doesn't feel as like overly intense this year, which I actually like. I feel like it's a little bit more like, I don't know, like fall, but not like in your face fall. You know, it's nice. I really like the cinnamon in this one. So if you like cinnamon, this is going to be a fall favorite. If you hate cinnamon, I have a girlfriend who absolutely can't stand cinnamon. This is going to be a total no. I feel like this is one that you might want to be careful wearing around people in case they have a cinnamon allergy. You know, if it's kind of intense, but it's not as intense as it was like a year or two ago. So I don't know. It's a good fall favorite. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What am I at, you guys? 11, 10, 9. I'm at number 8. I always do that. I'm having problems because Sweet Whiskey is not in the lineup. Number 8 is Sweater Weather. I'm kind of digging Sweater Weather this year, and I don't know why. I want Sweater Weather, literally, like outside. Suncrisp Apples, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. I don't know why I'm kind of digging it. See, look how thick this is. Look at how thick. It's standing up. And then look at Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Oh, maybe I just had the edge of it. It's a little bit more. I have two of these. Maybe I was using the other one. I actually have, I bought two Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkins because I'm like, you know what? I do need a backup of that one. But Sweater Weather, this one feels thicker. I don't know. I like Sweater Weather this year, you guys. I feel like the crisp apple in this one is nice. I didn't like Autumn Drive from last year. But Sweater Weather is like a little bit nice for me. I don't know why. It's like my whole lineup's changing this year. I don't like it as much in the mist, and I'm not sure why. I like using it in the cream. You know, like after you shave, it's nice. I like it. Okay, that was, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7, lucky number 7. I just reviewed this one this morning. Moonlit Martini, the Boozy Martini, vibrant fruit, sparkling gin, and midnight musk. This is a fruity, boozy gin scent. I don't know if everyone's gonna like this. I like it. I don't know. There's something about it. It's like a cousin to sweet whiskey. It's like the fruity, don't turn your camera off, buddy. It's the fruity, boozier, I don't know, like cousin to sweet whiskey. I kind of like it though. I don't know. I'm going to use it for a while. These are all new, so they will settle in. Number 6. Number 6 is truly a foodie scent. I'm thinking Greg is digging this scent. Seriously, like who doesn't want to smell like pumpkin pecan waffles? Unless maybe like you're in an office and your coworkers are sick of you smelling like food all the time. I don't know. I actually did a video about what scents to wear to work. This can be tricky because pumpkin pecan waffles is really, really overpowering. And if you spray too much on, you literally are going to smell like breakfast. This one is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. I actually really like it as a shower gel because the whole shower smells like breakfast waffles. It smells wonderful. I tend to be a little bit careful when I'm wearing this one out because it can be a little bit intense. Kind of like Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Like you are just a walking plate of waffles like buried in syrup. So it's also relaxing. It kind of relaxes me like strawberry pound cake. Nice to kind of wear at night. It's comforting. So that is number 6. Number 5, top 5. I'm so excited to do the top 5. Number 5 is Everlasting Magic. Everlasting Magic is wonderful. I have to compare this to Sugar Cherry Crisp. I don't think it's a repackage. It is Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. I feel like this one is like an all-the-time scent. You could wear this as a casual daytime scent. You could wear it to the office. You could wear it in the evening. It just has a nice, I like to call it the royal scent. I love the candle when I first got it. And the berries, just smells really regal, sophisticated, and like it's just nice. It's nice for fall. I love this one. I don't know what berries are in this exactly. I don't think it's straight on cherry. I think there might be a couple of maybe blackberry, like raspberry scents mixed in. I don't know, but it smells really good. So if you're looking for a nice, classy berry scent, and the packaging is wonderful. This is beautiful. Good gifting one. Number 4 is the brand new Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I need to do a full review on this, but so far I'm really liking it. It's the warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. Again, Bath & Body Works is really doing kind of like the generic fruity scent. I like it though. Like every time I wear this one, like I've only had it for like a day and a half, but I like it. I don't know. There's just something wonderful about it. I love Bonfire Bash. I love Sweet Whiskey. And now I'm really digging the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I'm starting to get like the vanilla notes. I've been using it in the shower gel and I used the cream last night and I was really impressed. So it's not like number 1 yet. It could be for fall. I don't know. Right now it's number 4. Number 3, Sweet Whiskey, which I need to get. Where is my Sweet Whiskey? I thought I bought it in the cream. I had an old cream. I don't know what's happening to me. Sweet whiskey. I just reviewed that yesterday. I love my sweet whiskey. I used it in the Diamond Shimmer Mist. Actually, I wore this today. It was really, really nice. People are like, what are you wearing? I'm like, sweet whiskey, golden amber, whiskey infused, vanilla infused whiskey. Whiskey infused whiskey? It's vanilla infused whiskey. Sweet red berries, again with the berries. See? Bath & Body Works is doing a lot of those berries. See, Cozy, this one is dark fruit. Like fruit, berries. These two layer well together too. I kind of had a mix on today. I was doing all kinds of stuff today, but I love my sweet whiskey. Number 2. I am so shocked this year that Leaves is my number 2. I love this scent so much. It is crisp apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. It's funny, when I saw Leaves in the lineup, when Tess put this up, Life Inside the Page, I went, there's no way I'm going to like this scent. Oh my gosh, I love this. I actually crave this scent. It is so strong. It is so fall. And I really like it strong. You want a strong fall scent? This is another one that you probably have to like be mindful if you spray too much on if you're around a lot of people. They're going to go, you smell like leaves. I love it though. It's a comfort scent for me. So Leaves is number 2. And then my number 1 so far for fall is Vampire Blood. I gotta say, I have been asking for this in the full-size body care for years, and Bath & Body Works finally delivered. I'm so happy. I do need to stock up on this in case we don't have it next year. It is red berries. Again with the berries. We're going all berries this year. Red berries, night blooming jasmine, and petrifying plum. So there's a nice mix of fruit in here. This is a year-round scent. You could wear it for Christmas plums. If you close your eyes, it smells really good. In the spring, it's like this deep, fruity scent with the jasmine mixed in, and I don't usually like jasmine. It's a summer scent. It's like a evening, wonderful scent to wear in the summer. And of course, it's a fall Halloween scent because you know it's Vampire Blood if you've been using this for years and years and years. So I love it. I'm so happy we have Vampire Blood in the cream, the full-size cream, no less. This is just like my dream scent. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with the lineup for fall, honestly. Like I said, aside from the fact that I wish they'd done maybe like a champagne sprinkles or, you know, something a little bit more on like the cotton candy, like enchanted candy potion, that would have been nice. Another foodie scent would have been nice, like a chocolate. Oh my gosh, why on earth is Bath & Body Works holding out on us for chocolate? Seriously, aside from hot cocoa and cream, which is only in the minis, we got to get hot cocoa and cream this year in the full size. Why can't we have a chocolate scent? It's eluding me. It really is. Remember the one year we got the Girl Scout cookie, the cocoa and peppermint? Wonderful. By the way, I'm burning that candle from Kringle, the cocoa and peppermint. I don't know. I do not understand why Bath & Body Works would not give us another chocolate scent. Hopefully they're working on it because that would be really nice. I am also holding out for an eggnog scent. That would be wonderful for Christmas. I don't know. I can dream. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been so much fun. I've really enjoyed doing this video. Let me know what your top ones are and your least favorite, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye-bye.